Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, northeastern Hancock County, southern Delaware County,
Holy
northwestern
crap!
Henry County, Hamilton County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern
This
Daylight
is
Time.
pure insanity.
6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
How is this just enhanced to us? There's been constant EAS is pretty much. Current time is, well, actually, the current temperature is 68 degrees and dropping. It hit 92 degrees today. This is the coldest since 9 p.m. last night. It's a bit after
Locations
that.
impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Fishers, Noblesville, Alexandria, Westfield, Yorktown, Cicero, Pendleton, Fortville, Chesterfield, Ingalls, LaPel, Edgewood, Franklin, Danville, Martinsville, Orestes, Sulphur Springs, and Springport. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 208 and 241. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Henry, and Madison. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in